And it's a good look. Big Pass be my passing up. Can't see you keep up. Passing the mark, sparking up. Big M badge, uptown killer.
Hey YouTube, Wagwan, welcome back to the channel, guys. So today, y'all already know the front lip on the bumper, it's broken, and also I got a new one right there in the box. So we're gonna install that, and maybe we're gonna do an install of the turbo inlet. I'm gonna do like a custom inlet for the OEM turbo until I go top mount. So make sure y'all stay tuned for that, and make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get into the video, man. Okay guys, so right now I'm on my way. First we're gonna go to the Omi's shop. Got a garage around there. So, and also I'm gonna put his shop name like somewhere right here on the screen. So whatever needs y'all need, like done, like parts need to be changed, any work on the car or anything like that, you just hit him up so y'all could get the work done on your car. Alright, so we just pulled up to the Omi's shop. Here's the shop name right there. Make sure y'all go check it out. Make sure y'all give him a call for any needs y'all need to be done on your vehicle. Could be anything. Hit him up. And yeah, let's get it, man. Okay guys, so I go ahead and assemble it already, but it's not fully on yet because I still got the screws to like put underneath and all of that. So it's just holding on by a 3M tape that comes with it. Got a little piece in the bag right there. So I'm about to like screw it up right now. Let me know what you guys think, man. It's the same thing like the one I had first, but the middle piece got broken. So I was only rocking this piece and that piece for the time being. So now I get a new front lip. So let's go ahead and screw it up. YouTube, y'all can't tell me this shit doesn't look way better, man. Woo, shit well needed. Boy, with his 335. He's running open dump, but he got a dome pipe. I still got the OEM dome pipe on this. Alright guys, so screwed up everything as y'all could see. I make sure I screwed up everything good, but I don't think I'm gonna do the inlet today. Probably gonna leave that for next day. But if y'all like how the front splitter looks, make sure y'all like, comment and subscribe, and peace. I'll catch you guys in the next one.